Hello, it's Ju here. Today we're going to the mountain creek in Korean, Gyegok. We're at ㅣS1, a resting place in the middle of the highway in Korea. We can go to toilet, go to cafe, eat some food, and we can have a break from a long drive. So yeah. It's a beautiful day. We're a little bit early, so there's not many people here, but hopefully it stays that way because this is like a hidden spot. So yeah, let's hope they just keep private between a few of us. It's so fresh here right now. It's the best way to beat the heat, I guess. This is my dad's swimming spot when he was a little kid. Only the locals know about this place, I guess. I'm gonna go for a swim. We're going to the next spot. A lot of rocks here, very slippery. we're finally on our way back now, and it's getting really late and dark, so that's it for the day. I don't know why there's a police just turned up. So see you later.